Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question is, let OA, B, CD be a pentagon. Okay, let's draw a diagram with the question. So let us suppose this is a pentagon. Okay, now this is a pentagon with the side OA and OB are parallel with the side of OD and AB. Okay, so suppose there is origin and this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. Okay, now he is saying are parallel as shown in the figure. The figure is this we are drawing, and OA and CB, OA ratio CB is in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, and OD ratio AB is in the ratio of 1:3. If the diagonal of OC and AD meet at X, this point is going to be X, then find the ratio of OX ratio OC. Okay, let us see. Now let us see that in question it is given that OA ratio CB is in ratio of 2:1. Now from here we can say that O is going to be equal to twice of CD. Now OA कितना हो जाएगा, which is going to, let us take that O is origin, then this is going to be A vector, this is going to be B vector, and this is going to be C vector, this is going to be D vector. Okay, now देखो OA vector कितना हो जाएगा, this is going to be small a vector, और twice of CD vector कितना हो जाएगा, D vector minus C vector. Similarly अपन को क्या दे रखा है, अपन को ये भी दे रखा है कि OD vector डिवाइड बाय AB vector इज इक्वल टू 1:3. तो यहाँ से अपन कह सकते हैं कि OD वेक्टर इसके इक्वल है, थ्राइस ऑफ OD वेक्टर इसके इक्वल है AB वेक्टर के. तो यहाँ से अपन कह सकते हैं 3 टाइम्स ऑफ D वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू B वेक्टर माइनस A वेक्टर. ठीक है, अब यहाँ से अपन A वेक्टर की वैल्यू तो निकाल ही चुके हैं, तो यहाँ से और सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. तो अपन को क्या मिलेगा, नाउ पुट दिस वैल्यू हेयर एंड वी गॉट 3D इज इक्वल टू B minus twice of D minus C. Now simplify this and we got 3D is equals to 2C minus B vector. This is what we got. Now from here we can also say that B vector is going to be 2/3 of C vector minus 1/3 of B vector. This is what we got, and put this equation by the name of second equation. Okay, now let us see that X is dividing OC vector in the ratio of lambda ratio 1. यानी कि X जो है वो OC को lambda ratio 1 में डिवाइड कर रहा है और AD को 1:mu में डिवाइड कर रहा है. ठीक है, अपन ने ऐसा अज्यूम कर लिया. नाउ लेट अस सी, नाउ द पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ X. अब हम पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ X देखते हैं. तो पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ X इज गोइंग टू बी mu into D प्लस 1 into A डिवाइड बाय mu प्लस 1, यानी कि दिस इज गोइंग टू बी A वेक्टर प्लस mu D वेक्टर डिवाइड बाय 1 प्लस mu, और दिस इज गोइंग टू बी सेम एज lambda C वेक्टर प्लस दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 0 बिकॉज दिस इज origin अपॉन lambda plus 1 vector, and they both are going to be equal because ये दोनों के दोनों पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ X है. तो यहाँ से अपन क्या कह सकते हैं, यहाँ से अपन बोल सकते हैं कि lambda C वेक्टर this is going to be equal of mu upon mu plus 1 D vector plus 1 upon 1 plus mu A vector. Okay, now let us again, we just substitute the value of D from here because we have value of D here. Now substitute the value. We have lambda 1 plus lambda upon lambda plus 1 into C vector is equals to mu upon mu plus 1 into D vector. So D vector is going to be 2/3 of C vector, 2/3 of C vector minus 1 by 3 of B vector plus 1 upon 1 plus mu into A vector. Now after simplifying this, we can see that what we got relation between all of them. So now simplify that. We can also substitute the value of A vector because we have that too. So substituting the value of A vector by that, saying that value of A vector, from here we can substitute the value of A vector. So the value of A vector is going to be equal to 2B vector minus 2C vector. Now just take the all C vector together, then what we got this minus 2 by 3 of mu by mu plus 1 plus 2 by 1 plus mu equals to, now taking all B vector together, we got 2 upon mu plus 1 into minus 1 by 3 mu plus 1 into B vector. Now just simplify this more and taking 1 plus mu to be the LCM, what we got, if we take 3 mu plus 1, the LCM of mu plus 1 in here, we got minus 2 mu and plus 6. Okay, similarly, just creating some space. Now this is going to be lambda plus upon lambda plus 1 into C vector minus B vector 2 upon mu plus 1 minus 1 upon 3 mu plus 1, and this is equals to 0. Now if they both are going to be the 0, then we have a condition. Now taking LCM of this, we got 3 mu plus 1 into 6 minus, this is going to be mu minus 6, mu minus 6. Okay, now if we comparing both, then coefficient of V is going to be 0. So from here we get value of mu minus 6 divided by 3 mu plus 1 is equals to 0. Now from here we can see that value of mu is going to be 6. So the value of mu will get to be 6. Now similarly we can see that value of lambda can easily be findable from here. This is going to be mu. Okay, so now just put the value of mu here, and we got lambda upon lambda plus 1 is equals to 2 mu minus 6. Put the value is going to be 12 minus 6 is going to be equal to 6 upon mu plus 1, 7, 21. Okay, so from here we got the value of lambda, which is equals to 21 lambda is equals to 6 lambda plus 1, 6 lambda plus 6. From here we get that 15 lambda is equals to 6. Now the lambda is going to be 6 by 15. So from here we got the value of lambda. Now just simplify this and we got value of lambda. Now just see that lambda ratio 1 divide OX and ratio OC. So we take OX divide OC is equals to lambda upon 1. Now just putting the value of lambda, we know that value of lambda comes out to be 6:5. So we got OX by OC is lambda ratio 1, which is going to 6 by 15. So the ratio of OX and OC is going to be 16. Thank you, students.